Look at this 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. Carfax has certified this Ram 1500 as having one owner. This Ram 1500 has just under 71,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 12 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 16 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 4.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 24ST Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, Trailer Tow Group, Popular Equipment Group, Floor Carpeting, 3.92 axle ratio, anti-spin rear axle, 4.7 LFFD engine and the cloth 40/20/40 split bench seat. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.